Hi, today I'm going to talk about a flower bush. We have here where I live a plant called Crepe Myrtles, but there's lots of flower bushes in other parts of the country too that we can pattern our next bulletin board by. This one is going to be a flowered shrub, and basically what I've done, if you go back and you look at my video that I did to make a tree, you take that very same set of components. In fact, these are the very same pieces of paper that I used. I folded the trunk of my tree up to make it shorter and stapled it to my bulletin board here. I left my stems, tree limbs and things still in place so that I can add the rest of my bush to this that I've already put up here on the board. And we'll add that on there. But you can see how to do these components on my tree video. Okay, so you just staple that up there so you've got your bush shape. Then, in order to do the flowers, what I did was cut some tiny squares, approximately 1 inch by 1 inch. Depending on the size of your bush, you can make them much bigger. You could make them even a little smaller if you wanted to. This is just cut out of tissue paper like you'd use in a package. The very thin tissue paper, very easy to fold up and crinkle into a little ball. Then, for my purposes here, I'm using a glue stick. These are pretty handy. They're not messy, and you can put your glue there where you need it and then place your flowers. So I'm going to use this glue stick. Also, if you wanted to, you could use just a little tiny lid full of Elmer's glue or any kind of glue that you choose to use, and just dip a little corner of this into the glue and then put it on your tree. I'm using the glue stick because of the time involved. It makes it faster. So all you do is place a little bit of glue on your tree and wad up your flower. Just wad up your little piece of paper to make it three-dimensional, and you can just place that right on the tree, stick it down, and you can add as many of these to the tree as you'd like. You can have just a few, or you can have, just to cover the tree with them if you'd like. It's your choice. So this is another little spring type bulletin board, or really even summer, because some of the crepe myrtles that we have here in Texas, summer is actually when they do bloom and look the nicest. So this is just another idea that you can use to kind of add something colorful to your bulletin boards, and it doesn't take very long either. Thanks a whole lot.